I'm always on your left.
And right now you're getting on my last nerve. Switch.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow.
Lip gloss.
What is up, you beautiful faces? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Milah. If you are new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this super natural, super cute, kind of a soft glam look. And this took me about an hour or so, but just because I like to take my time when doing makeup. But easily on a different day, because this was like at 7 in the morning, so I was really tired. But on another day, it probably take me like 50-ish minutes. This took me about an hour and a half, not gonna lie. But for starters, we're gonna start off with the brows. And y'all, I've been doing this new eyebrow technique where you use the got to be I think it's gel or quote unquote glue, but it's not actually glue. And I comb the brows out with that first, just so they can stay in place. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna lightly go over her brows because she already had really nice brows, and we are going for like a soft, natural, but you know, natural with a little bit of extra. And so after I lightly go over the brows, I'm just gonna conceal them with my e.l.f. camo concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Chestnut, I think. Yeah. And I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm kind of going sideways with it. Then I kind of sculpt it out after I go in first. And basically for the eyebrows, that's it. I use the same concealer to prime the eyelids, and yeah. Okay guys, so now that I am done with the brows, I'm going to set the eyelids with the concealer, and then I'm going to set it again with the Fenty Beauty powder. And for this look, I only use like 3 eyeshadows, I think 2. And I use this palette that I got from Walmart. It's from Profusion or Revolution makeup, I think. And this was very simple. I just started by first putting a brown shade on and just blending that out, just so it'll have a brown base on the eyelid already. And this was a pretty simple eye. I didn't want to do too much. Very basic, very easy to do. This is kind of like my go-to look, but on a client. And I'm just setting that eyeshadow on there and then blending it out. At first I was gonna go for a brown smoky eye, but I think I changed my mind along the way and I added some shimmer, which made it look even cuter. Right here, as you can see, I had already done the brown eyeshadow all the way through, but then I decided to add on, I don't know what shade this is, but I know it's out of a Juvia's Place palette, and it's a very nice, very neutral color. And this is a watch me work video, so I'm really not gonna like go into depth in techniques and stuff. This is just a fun video that I thought I'd post for Vlogmas. So yeah. Okay, and now that I'm done with the eyes and brows, I'm going to use my calamine lotion, and I'm going to put a very thin layer of that on just so the foundation will be really smooth. And for foundation, I will be using the Black Opal foundation stick. This foundation was really good. Like, I've been waiting to use this foundation stick for the longest. Like, I love Black Opal's products, and their foundation sticks are really good. And then I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of the NYX Bear With Me spray to help it blend out easier. And y'all, this foundation blended out so perfectly. Mind you, now I am matching the foundation with her neck, not mostly with her face. So if it does look slightly darker right here to you guys, I will brighten it up towards the end with a concealer. And yeah. This is the same concealer that I used to carve out the brows. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. And you guys will also see me add a little bit of LA Girl Pro Concealer on the edges of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, just to make sure that the ends aren't as harsh as they look right here. And so when I do blend it out, it will be easier for me to blend it. And that helps a lot. I don't remember where I got that technique from, but I definitely got it off YouTube because I watch a lot of beauty YouTubers. And so adding a more close to the skin tone concealer on the edge of the brighter concealer really brings it together. Okay, and right here I've already set the under eye with the Fenty Beauty powder, and then right here I'm just doing a slight contour with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Okay, and here I'm just quote-unquote baking, reverse contouring, snatching the cheeks, whatever you want to call it. But I'm just using the same powder that I've been using the whole video, the Fenty Beauty honey powder. And y'all know how I feel about this powder. But this reverse contour really helped bring it together. It really helped snatch that contour even more. So I've already done the bottom lash line and the lashes off camera. Now I'm about to do a highlight and contour. So for highlight, I use the Juvia's Place highlighter, and for contour, I use the Bobbi Brown bronzer. Y'all, do y'all see that contour and do y'all see those eyebrows? It's just so gorgeous. And so I went ahead and did the lips off camera. I did a brown lip liner with the NYX Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss. And you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like this video. I love doing these client tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next video.